In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your 2013 to 2024 Fusion from the small 4-inch display to a sleek 9-inch Sync 3 touchscreen system. This is a complete DIY plug-and-play installation. No complicated wiring or programming required. I bought from AliExpress a 9.7-inch Android screen for Ford Fusion, Mondeo, MK5 for 2013 to 2018 with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB disk. Start by removing the black shifter trim, followed by the small silver radio bezel trim. Grab the bigger silver radio bezel trim at the bottom and pull towards you, then follow around to the top. You can use basic interior panel removal tools to avoid scratching the surfaces. Next, remove the 2 screws using a 7mm socket. Use interior panel removal tool to pull the top section. Once that's done, unplug the 2 wiring harnesses connected to the factory radio. Now remove the original sync module from the factory unit radio using the hex tool to remove all the screws. Transfer the sync board to the new screen's back cover. This ensures that all your existing features, like Bluetooth and vehicle settings, carry over to the new system. Attach the back cover to the 9-inch screen. Now connect the harnesses to the new screen. Ensure all the cables are completely attached, then test the screen. Ensure all the cables are completely attached, then test the screen. Next, install the GPS antenna. I recommend placing it on top of the AC vent using double-sided tape for a clean look and optimal signal. From this position, the antenna has a clear view of the sky through the dash. No metal parts blocking the signal. Now slide the new screen into place. Secure it with the screws, reattach the trim panels. Once installed, you'll notice seamless integration between the new Sync 3 screen and the climate control cluster. Everything works smoothly, from navigation to audio and climate functions, and the new screen gives your Fusion a modern OEM look and feel. That's it. Your Ford Fusion is now upgraded with a beautiful 9-inch Sync 3 touchscreen system. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple DIY car upgrades.